Hey everyone, here's a quick demo for this app GOWA, which provide you a direct integration with HighLevel, and using that you will able to connect with your contacts on WhatsApp. So let's start with the app itself. Once you click on Get Started, it will give you a registration link. Yeah, you'll put your information all here. So I'm already registered, so I have already an account. I'll go with my credentials. Once you sign in, you will see on the left there are menu items. First is overview. Overview will give you all the total sub accounts that are connected right now from HighLevel, and then it gives you active connections, the sub accounts that have WhatsApp connected shows here, and then we have total messages that has been sent, and then we have QR code that has been generated. So in order to connect it with a HighLevel sub account, we'll go to the sub account tab, and here you have option to add sub account. Connect GoHighlevel sub account. It will take you to the marketplace to install that app in that particular sub account. And for example, I'll be selecting blue collar board sub account. Once it is selected, it will complete the setup, and here we go. So this is connected. Now you can see that WhatsApp status is not connected. Mode is individual. So if the mode is individual and you want to get this connected directly from your account dashboard, so you need to make it from individual. You need to change the mode from individual to shared. How you will do that? You'll go to manage user and switch the mode from individual to shared. Now it's shared, but it's still not connected. What I'll do here, I'll refresh this account and go to the GOWA custom menu link and try to generate the code from there. So let me copy and paste it here. Here we go. We got the QR code added, and now all we need to do is to scan this QR code and put that, and our WhatsApp will be connected. So once the WhatsApp is connected, our automation will be working. All the SMS actions will send out the WhatsApp messages, and you will able to see all the messages in the conversation tab. So that's how GOWA works. You can connect with us from our website. You can connect with our support. If you have any further questions, we'll be there. Thanks.